Absolutely superb. You have implemented page, database, and object caching, as well as browser caching. You have been, as you really need to be, patient with troubleshooting issues if they have arisen for you. You've tested, by way of the various testing tools at your disposal, the effect that the optimizations discussed thus far have had as you have implemented them, and you are hungry for more. Excellent. So let us then proceed. Minification and concatenation. This, my friends, is where you most likely are going to encounter your first problems with optimizing your WordPress website. Everything has very likely been sunshine and unicorns for you up to this point, and this is where you're really going to want to be patient. In this, section 6 of the course, as well as the next section, section 7, we will deal with those problems. So again, do not worry. As you already know from your review of Lecture 9, minification is the process of removing all unnecessary characters from source code without changing that code's functionality, without changing the meaning of the information. As you also now know, these unnecessary characters usually include white space characters, new line characters, comments, etc., which are used to add readability to the code for people, but are not required for that code to execute or for its functionality to be understood by a web browser. You further have absorbed our general optimization rule that less means more when it comes to speed. In other words, not only does the act of removing all unnecessary characters from source code, i.e. minifying source code, make your website faster, but so does reducing the total number of files, assets, resources with which the browser has to contend. In short, you've learned the value of concatenation, that wheelbarrow that moves in the most efficient manner possible your site's assets from point A to point B for the best possible user experience, for the fastest possible user experience. If you have been paying the attention that I know you have undoubtedly noticed that W3TC provides a means by which to minify and concatenate your WordPress site's JavaScript and CSS files. We will not, however, be using W3TC for that purpose, for reasons that will be detailed in the upcoming minification and concatenation how-to lecture. So I'm guessing you want to know how to implement and troubleshoot minification and concatenation. Great. Without further ado, let's do exactly that.